Hello guys, welcome back to another video. And I just noticed that y'all have never really seen my true loadout on Souls RNG, since I don't really post much on Souls RNG. So, actually most of my videos are Souls RNG now that I think of it. So yeah, what the heck? For a second I thought I had a Abyssal Hunter. I was like, gonna stay in my life. Had a rough start for my day, so it'd just be nice to have that. Wait a second. Oh, okay. 66,000, not 660. Whatever. Holy crap. Alright, looks like. Ooh, I got the sloth. That's not good. Alright, nothing. Is Pal leave it? Alright. Just gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Alright. Alright. Alright now. Alright then. Yeah, they still haven't done the rollback. I don't know when they're gonna do it. Oh my. Well yeah, well let me just show you my loadout, you know? Check this out. So we're gonna start off with Okay, I'm joking, I'm not gonna go through all that. We're just gonna skip until we get to one of these. So boom, I have Rage Brawler. Rage cheated. So yeah, I do have Ink Leak. There we go. So yeah, I do have Diablo Void, of course. Tell me if I don't click on any, because I might not. Hazard Rays, we have Hazard Rays, yeah. I remember this used to be like one of my favorites. So yeah, I have Undead Devil. Let me show Undead Devil. I can't believe they got rid of their wings. It's super like, I hate it. It just looks off. So of course I have Star Rider Starfish. So yeah, moving into the more rare stuff. So yeah, let me just hit you with a boom! Exotic Apex. So yeah, I'm not stupid, chat. I'm not stupid. You do it. Alright, here we go. Comet Block. Diablo Void. Ethan. White. Magnetic Reverse Polarity. Astral. Got a hair in my mouth. Alright, bounded to unbound. Grab. Virtual. Savior. Poseidon. Aquatic Flame. Zeus. Lunar Full Moon. Solar Lost Ice. Twilight, Origin, Hades, Celestial Divine, Hypervolt, Reality, Star Scourge, Sailor, Stormal Hurricane, Serosa, I don't know how to pronounce it, Sirius, Arcane Legacy, Ethereal, Exotic Apex, Matrix, Twilight Iridescent Memory, Sailor, Flying Dutchman, Star Scourge Radiant, Star Scourge Radiant. As you can see, I'm absolutely clicking. Yeah! But yeah, I actually don't like the Halloween event. It's getting in the way of the Christmas event. Like, I hate Christmas event. I mean, I guess it's all good. Nah, I'm not crafting haste one. Oh, shut.